Good afternoon. Hopefully, everyone's having a wonderful day. My name is John, and I am the host of Johnny Loves Tech. And today, we're going to do an unboxing of a new gadget that I purchased. It's a new robot that I purchased from Amazon that I'm going to build. And I'm building this robot because I'm going to be teaching a class on AI and robotics with a nonprofit that we work with on their annual um, they have an annual event, and we are going to be partnering with them. My organization, Technology the Color, we're going to be partnering with them and teaching the kids about robotics. So, without further ado, we got two boxes to go through, and so we're going to go through it real quick. All right, so this robot, let's cut through the box here. And it's called this is it right here. This is the dipped robot. I'm gonna cut the box. Well, this is the first box, and we had to buy a computer for this robot. So I bought a Raspberry Pi, and this whole package retails for about 200 bucks. So as you can see here, here's my Raspberry Pi. This is a Raspberry Pi Model 4. Uh, this one right here. Here's the computer. So that's the computer we're going to install on this bad boy. We'll shoot another video of us putting this together. Over here, this is a kit. This is a starter kit for this robot that I also purchased. Um, One of the things about buying stuff from Amazon is a lot of times people sell stuff as new. I got a really good deal on this, but I think this may have been an open box special. But let's pull this stuff out here so you can see it's a bunch of wires and things and pieces. This has definitely been opened before because there's no way. This is all the wiring components. There's a LED screen. I think this is a camera. There's a camera in here, or this is the camera. Some other connectors. A bunch of components in here that I will be using for this robot, and I'm excited. Yes, folks, I love to build things. This is what I do. So we have our kit, and this kit has an LED screen, camera. We actually got the computer right here. So we got the computer, Raspberry Pi 4, starter kit with all additional cables, wiring, and all this other cool stuff. And now we're going to open this box. And let's see, this is a robot kit. This is the nice little letter. The letter says, "Thank you for your order. Please download the tutorial for the product from this link. We are fully dedicated to 100% satisfaction, blah, 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 blah." Here are the components. This is the face. This is all the components. This is the track for it. We got a couple of those in here. So Just want to kind of show you guys. This is a box full of stuff. This is just basically part one of this video. We're going to have a part two. But this is an unboxing of this robot that I purchased. Let me I forgot the name of the robot. Let me quickly hop on my Amazon and kind of tell you guys what kind of robot I'm building, but it's a AI robot. I am building this. I just, did some research, found a cool robot online. I was like, yeah, let me order this. This is different. This is called the Goobot DIY robot model for Raspberry Pi 4. It's a robot car kit. I'm going to share my screen here. Let's see here. Let's open it here on this page. Okay, that's not what I wanted it to do. Let me just share my screen real quick so you guys can see. But basically, this is the robot that I'm building. I got the tracks and everything for it. I will shoot a separate video of myself putting this thing together so you guys will enjoy. And yeah, that's about it in this video. Besides that, I just wanted to do this unboxing of this robot. We'll shoot a video to show you guys how I put it all together. And then we'll probably shoot another video, part three, of how we program this bad boy to do what we want to do. So it's one of the toys that we have. We're gonna have some fun building this thing. Besides that, folks, we are now under a new regime. President Trump is in power. He is moving swiftly. I know this is not a political channel, but we're gonna keep our eyes open because, believe it or not, I don't know if you guys heard, but he, did some sweeping. Uh, he did some sweeping executive orders where now government workers have to come into the office they can't work from home anymore. They gotta go in the office. So that's happening. So, a lot of folks are a little upset about that, but hey, he talked about when he came into office, he was gonna be emptying the clip and he's not playing around. So, we'll probably dive into more, with our time together, we'll dive more into how a lot of the legislation may affect the job market and what you can do to stay ahead. So thank you for liking our content. Please like, share, and subscribe. I know you guys are like, wow, John, this is all you're going to show us? Yes, I'm just showing you. I unboxed, showed you the insides of this new robot kit that I got. I will be building this robot soon, so we'll share a video of that, of us putting this robot together. So please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. My email is in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe again. And I hope you guys are enjoying your day. We have a lot more to talk about. We're all about tech. We're going to talk about a lot of different tech topics, things to learn. I'm working on creating a community that you guys can join. I'll be putting some valuable resources on there for you guys to interact with. So I love you. Stay strong, stay diligent. Remember, our goal as a family is to increase what we were supposed to make for the year, to increase it by 10%. Hope to see you guys on the other side. Hope to see you guys all succeeding. Stay connected. Keep learning. Be present. See you later, folks. Peace.